The first thing that you want to do before cooking is always wash your hands so that you make a good, clean meal.
Pennsylvania 6, 5,000.
Okay, once you are done peeling the onion, we're going to slice it up.
Pennsylvania 6, 5,000.
So now that we chopped up our onions, what we're going to do is take 2 tablespoons of butter and put it in the pan, melt it, and we're going to saute the onions in the butter. So while we are waiting for the onions and butter to saute, we will make the cheese sauce by using the organic unbleached white flour and our pure dairy organic grass-fed milk. So how we're going to do this is put a third of a cup into here. I spilled some, so I'm going to put some more in there. Okay. And then we are going to put our milk. Now we're going to shake it up. I think that's about good. Now we're going to slice up our hot dogs so we can boil them with the noodles and make the noodles have a smoky flavor. Now we're going to grate some of our famous organic cheese and put it in with everything else. Now that the water is boiling, you're gonna add the noodles and the beef franks. Now that your macaroni is boiling, we're going to make the cheese sauce. So what you're gonna do is add your white mixture into the onions. Make sure to mix up while you pour it in there. Once your onions, butter, milk, and flour are all thick and hard like this, then we're going to have time to add the cheese. Get it all up in there and stir. Now remember, if it's too thick, add more milk. And now we're going to add our salt and pepper. And then stir until it's smooth. The pasta is cooked. Now let's go put it on the strainer. then we're going to mix it all up in there. All of the ingredients are all mixed together, so we're going to put tin foil over the thing. And then we're going to put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Good afternoon, sir. Can I start you off with anything? Mac and cheese? Alright,